in today's module, let us have an understanding through few slides about how the semiconductor designs have evolved over time. So as we see in the picture, right from the left, we see it started with a discrete level transistors, then moving on to the integrated circuit, as you can see here, to the large scale integration or medium scale integration to a very large scale integration right now in the form of a modern microprocessor, what you see here. So these are the three stages of semiconductor hardware. And this tells the story of how the design complexity has scaled over time. Therefore, it signals a comprehensive historical and technical overview. What you see here is a silicon wafer available from the foundry in different size and shapes, usually circular in nature with the diameter ranging from 8-inch up to 12-inch and so on. So it's basically this wafer is the ultimate icon of the chip design, and the micro photography on the surface of this silicon wafer highlights the precision required in the industry today. Finally, to the left side, we see a schematic level representation of the actual circuit that has to be realized on the physical version of the chip. This is the physical photograph of the chip with these schematic finally got implemented in the form of silicon structure in the center here. And then these gold wires are called as bond wires, which acts as a connection between the internals of the chip to the outside of the chip. So this is the photograph showing the layout of the transistor level schematic, and then on the right is uh, actual photograph of a physical chip. So hope you found this model useful. If it did so, share it with others for wider reach, and stay tuned for more engaging content like this. Till then, wish you happy learning.